Hello, my name is Kevin Hernandez. I work in the Community Development Clinic and I am a graduating 3L. I would recommend working in the Community Development Clinic because you get the freedom to do a lot of work that you otherwise wouldn't do in, say, internships or even in the classroom, because the attorneys you work with give you a lot of freedom on the cases that you work on. For example, I worked on landlord-tenant issues, I worked on nonprofit formation, and I worked on small business claims. And in doing that, I filed documents to the court, I conducted depositions, and I did client interviews, which is some of the different opportunities you would get in the Community Development Clinic. The clinic has played a big role in my career development because I've learned skills that I just wouldn't have been able to in practice at internships over the summer. I was given full control of cases and I was able to run with it to the full extent that I was able to. And I worked directly with clients, I prepared the motions, I went with them to court, and it was things that I probably wouldn't have been trusted with at an internship just because there are more supervising attorneys. However, working in the clinic, you have this ability to grow intrinsically a lot quicker because you're given much more responsibility. I would recommend that you try enrolling into the clinic because it gives you the opportunity to work in a capacity that you likely won't have in the future. Because once you get into practice, there's a lot less opportunity for attorneys to supervise you and give you direct feedback because they're, of course, handling their pretty substantial workload. But while you're in the clinic, you get direct supervision from your attorneys, your supervising attorneys, who are also professors at the school, and whose main job is to help mentor you and help you develop the skills that you need to practice. And having that direct interaction allows you to develop skills very quickly and very efficiently. And for any mistakes that you may run into, you'll have someone directly there to help you alleviate those.